So guys, the new driveway installation, which is resin bound over in Surrey for this previously disused, unloved home. As you can see, it's showing signs of wear and tear, and it needs invigorating, updating and turning into an absolutely fantastic installation, which is going to give the homeowner many years of enjoyment to come. Also a nice parking space and some decent frontage, a new lawn to enjoy. So this wall here is going to be a nice rendered wall. We are going to take this, clean it out and turn it into a nice rendered wall, which is going to just add a little bit of detail to the front. This is going to be our lawn area. So all of this is going to get moved, and over here we have got some porcelain tiles. These are a nice grey 600 by 600. Lovely porcelain tile here, anti-slip. So that's going to work really well. And those tiles are going to form a pathway from here all the way across to here. And we're going to have a couple of rows here, which is going to be a log store, bin store, and obviously the nice little access point. This, we are going to have a planter across here, and this is going to flow, so there's going to be a very smooth transition into the front porch area. We're going to have a recessed manhole cover here, along with one over there. And let me just take you round the back so you can see the next part of this fantastic project, which is going to be a beautiful new lawn to add many hours of fun in the garden, sitting there enjoying the lawn as you come down. Please, entrez-vous, please. So as you can see, this tired, unloved garden is now going to get transformed into a beautiful new lawn area. We're going to clear all the pots, we're going to move them out of the way. We're going to clear all these pots here, and we're going to strip this turf. We're going to remove the concrete, and we are going to add some fine topsoil. This topsoil is going to then go down for our beautiful new lawn to be laid on. And we're going to be showing you some fantastic, awesome updates and videos throughout the project as we create. We're going to first of all strip this all out and break all this concrete and old tired tarmac. We're going to break it all up, and we're going to strip it all out, pile it all up. We're going to organise the front. That's what we've inherited, by the way, so we didn't leave this like this. We've inherited that, and we are going to organise it, get it all together. Then we're going to start pulling things out, stripping things out. Sheets going to go down, layers of groundwork. Then we're going to get our permeable concrete, our edges down, our resin's going to go down, our turf's going to go down. It's going to be awesome. Let's do it. The project over in Bletchley in Surrey, we have got the lawn down, and we have got the area nice and dry. We've started putting the resin down, and as you can see, we have got this fantastic bin store area over here in porcelain. What a change around this is, and we've grouted all these porcelain tiles nicely. And as you can see, we're just starting to put the resin down. We are nice and dry. We've got our edges in, our borders in, our planters are filled with soil nicely, our walls done. So if I bring you around the back here, just do that before the gate slams, and then we'll have a problem, even though I can't seem to manage to work it. Right, so round the back we come, and as you can see, the lawn is in and looks absolutely phenomenal. It's a really nice space. We've got a brilliant gravel circle over here, and I think it's safe to say that this garden's been fully transformed. We've cut a load of the trees back as well, because the client was getting a load of coverage from the trees and the sunlight onto the lawn. So we have made an absolutely fantastic shaped lawn here. Let me take you back out the front and show you. So we're going to now start coming up here with the resin, and you will see what it looks like. I think we're using Sherwood Forest resin here. As you can see, it's a fantastic sort of classic resin colour where it's sandy, and obviously it complements the property really well. It complements the wood, the roof, the lawn and the edging, and it works in really well. So we're going to show you what it looks like when it's finished, and it is going to look absolutely fantastic. Resin is complete on this installation, and it looks absolutely fantastic. Obviously I've showed you the lawn, a little bin store area over here, and the Sherwood Forest VT, which is a Vuba blend. I think it is safe to say that it blends in really well with the woodwork, the rooftop, the fence, the gate, the wall. And as you can see here, we have cordoned this off. We have used also Vuba's moisture tolerant resin for this time of year, because sometimes in the morning there can be a bit of dew. The temperature is good though for it. We're at about 10 degrees, and we've used winter cold, so it's got a catalyst in it. And yeah, this is the finished job, and I think, you know, the client's really happy with it. We're really happy with it. So if you like what you see, please get in touch via the website, Facebook, Instagram, check a trade, and we will be more than happy to facilitate your driveway installation needs. So that's enough for me. Thank you very much. Cheers for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Really helps. Thank you very much.